Let me talk about a story of Kim. Now, Kim used to stay in a suburban place, and the neighbors used to stay a little far off, right? Now, what happened one day when he was trying to come down from his stairs, he just tripped and fallen down. In a fraction of a second, he found himself lying in the floor with excruciating pain. Then the first thing which has come in his mind is, uh, you know, help. I need help. And when he has seen in his home his children's and his wife were not there because they have gone to a nearby market. Now he was having his phone in his hand. That was the only support which he was having. So what he did, he was just thinking that if I can give a call to 911, but then he realized that even if I give a call, that should not be good at my point to take support from them, because I don't have immediate or urgent heart attack or any other ailment where I'm going to die. So let me take help from my neighbors. And then he realized that he doesn't have good relationship with his neighbors, and he hardly got time to talk to them. And then what he did, he just thought about one old lady. She used to stay a little bit far off from her home. And then he realized that once long back I had a discussion with her, and let me just give a call and try to ask for help. He had just given a call, and she immediately came home. And luckily the doors were not locked, so the back door was open. So she came from there, and then she took him to hospital, where they have done the MRI and all the tests, and they found that it is the sprain was there, but not any critical damage has happened. He came home, and the complete day, that is for around 5 hours, the tests and everything has undergone, and then this lady was there along with Kim. So he was literally feeling a lot of gratitude about her, that she really supported her at that time when no one was there. So when he came home, the only question which was there in his mind is that I should build relationship. I should be good to people around me. I should interact with them, so that whenever any situations like this comes, I will get help, and people can also give me a call when they require help. So it was like that. This particular situation has acted as a trigger, okay, which I am going to talk today. This particular trigger has helped Kim to change his behavior. Friends, in day in and day out, whatever challenges or whatever situations, circumstances we are going through, these all act as triggers in our own life. Now, how I am going to use those triggers to make my life better, that depends on us. So today's topic here, I am going to share on triggers, how it shapes our destiny. And we have to also understand that, say suppose this is me, okay, so this is me, and I am surrounded by my environment, okay. Now I have my own goals, I have my own agenda, I have my own plans. But what happens, all these plans, these goals, this agenda is of no use, and it at times go haywire when I am affected by my environment, okay. So what is happening in this environment? This environment always works against our interest. It gives us certain challenges which we have not expected, and then we are at the mercy of our environment. So if you see in this environment, I am just going to share with you few examples which comes in our way as a trigger from our environment. So the first thing which I would like to share is in triggers, which I have just not spoken to all of you. One is that we get this trigger from people, okay. Now how we get this from people? Say suppose you are a student, you have gone to the school, and you've got praise from your teacher, what will happen? It will help you to repeat those actions. You will go on and do that thing which you have done earlier. Same thing, you have gone to your office and your boss has scolded you, will be a trigger for you to search for another organization. Am I right? So this is the first part which I am trying to explain. Now, the second one is your events. So whatever events which is happening around us will act as a trigger. Now what are those events? So suppose you have decided that I am going to take care of my health, I am going to reduce my weight. You have gone to one friend's party and you have found that a lot of ice creams kept there. What you will do? You will forget everything which you have planned, right? Similarly, it happens, so which I was talking about here, that these are all environment which includes the people and the events, which is basically coming from our environment and derailing us from our plans. So this is one of the event. Third one is the circumstances. So if you see circumstances, how it affects us. So suppose there is a family person who is affected by some health issues. What you will do? Your complete circumstances will derail you from your plan. You have not planned. You have planned to go for some vacation, but this person is not well in your family and you have to take care of that. So then your complete things will change. Say suppose you have never saved money and someone is very ill in your home, and then now you have to take all the money whichever you have. That particular instance will help you to think that I need to save money. So if you see these triggers, they have good as well as bad circumstances, like good and bad outcomes, if I must say. How the good outcomes? So suppose a trigger has come and I am taking that to improve myself, it will be good. If bad circumstances have come, like a temptation of having an ice cream, it will derail you. So if you see, basically my complete life is getting affected by people, by events, by circumstances which is coming to me from my environment, and this environment constantly intervenes with my plan. That is the basic and major problem which we face. Now the question is that, are you accepting your circumstances or you are taking those circumstances to learn and change? So let me come back to the story of Kim, wherein he had a fall, he had gone to hospital, there is a lady who supported him. Now what was the one point which has come in his mind? That I am going to now build relationship in my neighborhood, so that if they require help sometime, I will be able to do that. So that is what the change which has happened in his mindset. So whenever anything happens with us in a day, it is our decision, it is up to us how I am going to respond to it, how I am going to use those circumstances or those triggers to make myself better than yesterday. Hope you have liked this session. This is particularly on triggers. So in my subsequent videos, I am going to share with all of you that how we can really control our triggers, how we can shape our triggers into a positive ones, right? So for that you need to subscribe to my channel so that you get the notification whenever I upload the new video on the triggers, right? So thank you so much for attending this session, and hope you have liked it. If yes, please go and like, subscribe and comment to my channel. Thank you so much.